boy looks at the documents, a terrifying smile slowly emerges on his face. For on the first page is the same emblem that was on the sword all those years ago. His sworn enemy is close now, so very close. The boy feels his blood begin to boil as he considers this. Then he slowly makes his way to the captain. And among our foes, the same man who killed my parents. I owe this man. The debt must be paid. Put me in the front line so I may take his life. Enraged, the boy draws his weapon and moves to attack his own captain. He in fear. He does not... The boy hurls abuse at the timid man as he sheaths his weapon and departs. The soldiers sleep. The boy stirs. If he can't get permission, he will simply act alone. It is the same burly soldier who always tries to fight him. The boy lies.